DJ here and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to share with you guys a cleaning organization video today. Somehow my bae ended up spilling his body wash. Somehow it ended up getting all over the place. I keep forgetting to take care of this body wash. That I go to get some brand new toothpaste or a washcloth, and then I'm remembering that I forgot to take care of that. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. Alright you guys, so for the most part I have finished cleaning and clearing away all the things that were inside of the closet. So now it's time for us to organize. So let's get started. 아무도 모르게 조심하는데 또 티가 났나 봐. Sound really fine. 너와 함께 했었던 시간이 길었어. 나 봐, 난 네 옷을 또 보고 있어. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I can't control. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I miss you, baby. 좀 더 빨리 널 잊어야만 해. 우리 헤어졌던 수요일 밤이 기억나. 말없이 걸었었던 너와의 마지막 밤. Okay, so it is the next day. So I was doing all the clearing out and cleaning of the closet, and then it got just too late. So I opted to just finish organizing and putting up all of the baskets in the closet the next day. So here we go. Alright people, so here we are. So I decided to put the fall season things that were up here at the beginning of the video and just continue to put them back here, because mainly the ceiling here is very high and it works for these seasonal things that are so large like this. So I just placed those right back there in that area. Moving down to the second shelf, I ended up putting in this bin here, as you all can see, the toothpaste and soap type things that are in there. Then all my liquids and things are right there. Right in this bin here, we have our meds and Epsom salt and some Band-Aids and things of this sort that are medical things. Moving down to the next shelf, we have here my hand towels. Next bin here are the bath towels and the face towels. Then I move down here, the guest sheets. And here are my husband and I sheets. We have lights right there, cleaning items right there, and more lights. And that's how everything turned out. Let's get a view all the way back here of how things are looking for the most part. And yep, that's it, people. Everything is a lot better, a lot cleaner, a lot clearer. All right, everybody, thanks for joining me today. I hope that you all enjoyed today's video. Be sure that you give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.